like I was falling through the air. No one but myself to hold my hand.
Welcome back to my channel. This is MidWest Momma. It is Target day and I have a big haul. Well, more like expensive haul. It was $3.68 and some change. Yeah, let me turn you around and show you what Okay, here's my haul for $3.68. So I'm still in the quest for like necklaces. I have quite a collection, but I seen this last payday and I wanted to get it. And so it was still there. So I decided to get it. It is gold. I'm not very much of a gold fan, but I like this one because of the flowers and the little tiny little faux diamonds in there. I saw these, you know, because I'm in a book club, but like for me, reading 30 books would be amazing in a year. And I know like a lot of the people that are in the book club, they read way past that. But I thought for some of the ladies who aren't reading more than that would enjoy this. And you just you can like put the little ribbon in it and then there's like a little stick to like scratch it. And so you would use this as your bookmark. I found it in the dollar spot. And then it is great grandma's birthday. Zach's grandma, she will be 101. So I made sure to get a birthday card. And then I need to get like a bunch of Mother's Day cards. A big splurge for myself was a water bottle. I'm actually going to be the first time in 44 years going to a gym. My husband has a membership and my son does. And now I'm going to, and actually Caitlin does too. So I'm going to be, and I don't have a water bottle that I can take with me like this. So Kayla and Caitlin both have Owalas. And so I decided to buy it as well. It's like the push button and then it's a free sip. So yeah, I like it. It was like 30 bucks, 30 ounces, 30 bucks. They finally had their pimple patches, so I can finally not get them the hero ones because apparently those are not that great. I grabbed another one of these. I still have one in the fridge that I need to drink, but I thought maybe that would be good for me. Has 42 grams of protein. I tried so hard to like the Morphe eyebrow brush, but I don't. So they finally had the e.l.f. one, and then that is what I picked up. I needed packing tape to send off some packages I need to return. I did get 5 of the Alanis, the 5 for $12. I'll probably give 1 or 2 to Caitlin, and the rest will be mine. And then they have this classic cola slice. Healthy soda. I don't know. It was on clearance or on sale, I think. So I decided to give it a try. And they do have like the orange and like lemon lime as well. And it's like, you know, it has the prebiotics and the probiotics. I don't know. I thought I would try it. I got some Lysol wipes. We're running out of Downy. I think the last time I got this was maybe 2 shopping trips ago at Meijer. So I didn't know if they had it on sale, so I just kind of bought it at Target. I got the Mrs. Meyer cleaner, the honeysuckle scent, multi-surface cleaner. It's like having a brain fart. Got 2 hand soaps. The husband needed some deodorant. Someone's going to be shaving for the first time in the house. So obviously I shave, guys. It's for my 12-year-old. Need to teach her how to shave. Panty liners. Shout out to my brother and my nephews who just hate that there's panty liners in all of my hauls, but there's 3 girls living here, so just deal with it. We were completely out of paper plates, so I got the 54 count box of tissues for the vanity, and then this was what I got for the upstairs. I have the old kind of cedar mop in the basement, and I kind of I didn't want to lug it up. So, and that's like, the basement is like gross. It's like, it's not finished. It's like a cement floor. So I wanted something nicer up here, and it's the one with the clean water. I don't know which one it's in, but it has clean water. So anywho, got a dozen eggs, 2 of the bags of steamed cauliflower. The 3rd bag I grabbed, and the last one had a hole in it. Had to put it back. Got Kayla some shorts they were 15, but it ended up being 12. And I see commercials for this mushroom coffee, and I wanted to give it a try. So I got the mocha coffee latte with Rise Super 6 mushroom blend. I don't know, it's supposed to help with your gut and stuff, I think. Oh, jitter-free energy, mental clarity. Yeah, digestive wellness. I don't know. I see things all the time on TikTok and Facebook, and I get sucked into the vortex. Got 4 cans of corn. They did not have my green beans, so I have to get that at Meijer. We were completely out of mac and cheese. I don't know. No one's been eating it, and so I didn't supply it or didn't replenish what we ate. So now one of the kids complained. So I grabbed, I can't talk, guys. I grabbed 4 to have on hand. I got 2 of the grilled chicken and broccoli Alfredo TV dinners. They're for my lunches. And then I got their lean cuisine herb roasted chicken, chicken fettuccine, and pizza. I'm literally about to start over because I cannot stop stuttering. We only had 4 tilapias, so I decided to get a bag from Target, and I'll take like 2 out of this, and then there'll be more for another dinner. I could have sworn I needed to get shrimp, but I know they were a pretty decent price, so I just bought it anyways. And I got some protein ice cream. Coffee is one of the flavors, but I did not get coffee. Zach eats these, and he says they're really good. 30 grams of protein, 85% less sugar. So I got the peanut butter chip and cookies and cream. Got his lunch meat. I got more of my yogurt, a bag of red potatoes back there, 2 of my creamers. Yes, nephews and my brother, I do go through these like crazy, okay? They shocked me. I was at their house, and they had a creamer there that was like almost a year old. And obviously this one was expired, and then another one they've had for like 6 months. And it's just crazy to me because, yeah, no, I love my creamer, but I literally don't put that much in it. I probably use like 3 tablespoons. So I don't know what they're doing. I don't know if they're doing like a 1/8 of a teaspoon here. I don't know what they're doing, but apparently I like mine sweeter than they do. I got some peppers for Connor. He likes to have these with a snack and then I can't. Guys, he likes to have mini sweet peppers for a snack with ranch. And I got strawberries, a thing of bananas, and then I got some more of the 0 net carb flour tortillas. I got my husband the Junkless. I don't know if he needed it or not, but I got it anyways. And then Honey Nut Cheerios for the oldest. So that was all $3.69 and some change. I do have a meal plan ready. Well, it's not written nicely, so I will try to share that the next time I have a haul. I already have like my list going for Meijer and Sam, so I don't think I'm gonna go to Aldi this time around. So just those 2 places. So stay tuned for those next hauls, and I hope you guys are doing great. And okay, I am back from my Meijer haul. I think I spent, let me check, $235.78. Okay. So this is going solely off of meal plans. I got like a couple fun things, but like I actually stuck to just food, guys. I got a package of organic thighs. I don't know, why not? I just decided to try it. It's only like a couple bucks more than it would be. I don't know, why not? I got 2 packages of chicken tenderloins. I don't normally buy that, but one of the recipes said I need to have like chicken breast strips or something like that. I don't know. I guess I could have cut my own, but I just decided to make it easy and then just have the tenderloins. Whatever. I got a bag of tater tots. We haven't had any in a long time. I don't even know if we're going to need it, but I've just decided if we do need fries, I want tater tots. Got some garlic breadsticks, 2 boxes of Kohl's. I needed a bunch of Bertolli Alfredos. They were 2 for $5, so I got 4. Got a thing of traditional refried beans, 2 jars of chunky 3-cheese pasta, 4 cans of French style green beans. Got, what is this, grass-fed ground beef round 85.15. Was it even on camera? There it is. That's for lasagna. I have to check if I have lasagna pasta. I am not sure. I got 2 Polska kielbasas, 2 K-pods. I got 1 house blend and the other breakfast blend. I think these were cheaper, and like we don't care what they are apparently. So I shouldn't say apparently. We don't care what they are. I thought my son was particular, but he said he didn't care. And I definitely don't care what brand it is. I do prefer Caribou, but like sometimes it's just really expensive. I got 2 boxes of pasta, mini penny, and rotini for meals. Viva paper towels. Why didn't I get them in? Oh, I had no room on my cart when I was at Target, but it actually is cheaper at Meijer. So I think I'm just going to get it from there from now on, because it's like 15 at Target and it was like 11 at Meijer. So big difference. Got some Hawaiian bread, butternut Italian. These were the 2 little things I picked up to put in our flower garden. My husband usually does wildflowers in this high bed raised garden thing that he made, and I thought these would be cute. And then I got a bunch of pastas, fettuccine, 2 of those. And then I got, and this is the Fredericks brand. It's like, I don't know, Meijer's fancy brand, I guess. And then I got Rao's linguine, 2 of those. 2 of the butter pretzels for my son. I got a Simply Ruffle. And then I got 2 bags of popcorners. I think it's the white cheddar. They still do not have sour cream and onion stacks. I don't know if there was like a recall on them. I don't know what's going on, but that's a month now. 2 boxes of pastaroni, the garlic and olive oil vermicelli. It's like Kayla's favorite. And then I got 2 rice-a-roni cheddar broccolis, another spray butter. And then I got some cheeses. I decided to get regular brand too, like name brand, to see if there's any difference. So I got Kraft mozzarella, Sargento, not sure how to pronounce it, but I got provolone and cheddar for grilled cheeses. And then this is for steak tacos. This is like the best. And then I got some grated Parmesan cheese, ricotta, I don't know, for lasagna. I got some fresh vegetables. I got a bag of sugar snap snow peas. I tried to get frozen, but they don't have any. Like at any store that I've been to, I can't find them, so I just got fresh. And that's expensive. I'm sorry, but like, look at that, for like almost $5. That's insane. I got 2 zucchini, 2 squash, 2 carrots, or 3 carrots actually. Those are for meals. And then I got 2 family packs of chicken breast. I feel like some of this stuff was off camera. I apologize. I'm in a rush. I have a doctor's appointment in like 15 minutes. And then these are the cute little things that I got for 4th of July. I'm just going to put them on display somewhere. They're just little things with flour, and I got red, white, and blue. So I still need to put my meal plan together. I think my husband and I are going to shop Sam's Club tomorrow together after our little taco or Mexican restaurant lunch date. But yeah, so stay tuned for that upcoming. Okay, here is my Sam's Club haul. We spent $171 and some change. I got 2 packs of the Little Bites for Kayla. Got some boneless pork chops. I got green grapes and red grapes. We only had, I think, 1 or 2 of the butter sticks left, so we got that. Got some of the Simply Fuel protein balls, the cinnamon roll, fresh green beans, Just Bare chicken strips. I picked up some Tylenol, the omeprazole for Zach, and he got his lemon blueberry cookie thins. Got some more Pop Secret movie theater butter popcorn. This stuff was actually really good. And then what else? Oh, we got toilet paper, and the thing completely just broke in the garage. But you can see we got toilet paper, and he got his organic waters. And I think that's it. If not, I have no clue where the rest of the stuff is. I look like a hot mess here. I have my sunglasses in my hair. Anyways, I'm still going to come up with meal plans, so stay tuned for that. But yeah, this was $171. So okay, I did write out my recipes that are my meal plan for the next 2 weeks. These are in no particular order, but I'm going to be doing linguine with creamy chicken primavera. Has like the sugar snap peas and the carrots in it. And then I'm going to do sheet pan, sausage, and veggies, which is the Polska kielbasa with zucchini and squash, and then steak tacos. Slow cooker, garlic parmesan chicken. I want to say this is with thighs. I'm not sure which recipe has the thighs. And then chicken with a creamy garlic sauce. Obviously, 2 different kinds of recipes. Because one of these, I think, okay, anyways, classic lasagna. I think this one right here, the garlic parmesan chicken, this one is with zucchini and squash, and it's on the skillet. And then my husband's going to make zucchini casserole. I did get those chicken strips. And then he'll probably grill pork chops. And then I do have shrimp as well. So I might make kind of like a shrimp scampi or something like that during the week. I don't know. Let's see how I feel. But wanted to share my recipes for the next 2 weeks. And some of these will be like a pizza day, especially when Kayla has like jazz dance, because I don't get home till like after 8. And then we don't eat anywhere near until 8 p.m. Because usually my husband gets home later, and then my oldest gets home later, and then Connor used to when he worked, so he's in between jobs. But anyways, thank you so much for watching my grocery hauls. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Please like, comment, and share, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!